So let's start looking at the editing tools that we have here. So this is what your page looks like once you hit the edit button. These tools over here are pretty self-explanatory. This one is too. It's for you to style the text, to give it maybe a different font, maybe a different color, to align it in center, left, or right, etc. This one here is just your text size again, going from heading 1 to 6 to normal, and it will default to normal. A numbered list and a bulleted list, and here is a horizontal rule. This is pretty self-explanatory. Here's a horizontal rule that I put in here between the two items on that page. And then let's take quickly look at the links. Okay, so we can add links within our wiki. We can link from a certain place in the wiki to another page in the wiki. Okay, so I could choose any one of these pages and link to that. I could link to an anchor if I wanted to, like this one here. It says link to anchor. I could click on that, and if I have previously defined a place in my wiki as an anchor and named it, I could link it to that. I can also link to external links. So here is a place where you would type in a URL, and you could link to a URL. For the anchor, if you select any piece of your wiki and you want to later refer to that place, you select it, give it a name, and then later on you can anchor back into that. And that's the link feature. File feature. For the file feature, we can upload files. Like here it says upload files. You can upload them from your computer. And what can you upload? You can upload images, you can upload audio and video, as well as other files. And then once you have uploaded them, like this one here is uploaded, this is a picture, PNG, I can decide whether I want to embed that file or if I want to link to that file. If you want to embed it, just leave it here, click on it, and you will see the embedded picture in your wiki. You can also link to an external image, so something that might not be on your computer but on the web, and you would put that here. Next thing is the widgets, and I'm just going to point out a few of them that I think are very, very useful and really fun if you're creating your own digital textbook. Wiki, I'm not going to get so much into the wiki spaces ones. Let's look at the videos. You can embed a video from YouTube. So let me go to YouTube real fast, and I will go to our YouTube channel and pick one of my students' projects. And if I wanted to embed that, I'm going to turn this off. If I wanted to embed this video, I would go to Share and then click on Embed. And the highlighted text here within the iframe, that is what would go into my wiki. So if this was not selected, I would have to select it, so it's blue. Okay, and then you copy that, Control C, or you can right click and say copy, and then you go back to your wiki, and in the box you just go Control V or right click and paste, and then you would save that. And I'm going to save it just so you can see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's saved. Now this is just a placeholder. Once you click save on the bar on top, it will turn into your embedded movie that you can turn it on and watch it from there. So let's go back to our edit function. We're going to get rid of this YouTube video and back to our widgets. So video we can embed. Calendars, you can embed a Google Calendar. Very simple to do. You can embed spreadsheets, Google spreadsheets. Any of your Google documents you can embed. That means you can see them as they are, and they will change as the documents change. Okay, same with documents. Same with Google Maps, if you have a need for that. And for some of you, you might know Glogster. Here's Glogster. And then there might be some Web 2.0 tools that you might want to embed, and you know that you can get the embed code. And certainly if you can get the embed code, you would just go down to other HTML, click in the box here, paste it in here, and there we go. By the way, you could have done the same thing with the YouTube video. I just did that and just gone to other HTML. Just if you're not so familiar, sometimes it's easier to just go to the specific thing that you want to embed. And that is our widget feature. Table is pretty self-explanatory. You insert a table this way. Comments, I can click on a word and add a comment to it. So I can say, what does platform mean? And I'll leave that, and then when somebody goes to look at it, then they give my comment, and they can, whatever, they can correct it if they need to correct it. Let's say this was something that a student had created, then that feature would certainly be helpful. Okay, and then we're moving on. This is undo, of course, and redo button. Here, if you click here, nothing changes on your wiki. You just see what the live page would look like, and the rest of it is self-explanatory. If you go to that drop-down button here, you can save it with a comment, you can save it and continue, or you could even go to the wiki text editor. I'm going to click on that so you see what that looks like. So if you're a little savvy with that, you can make your own little changes that you might not be able to do with the visual editor. But if you're confused about that, don't even worry about it. So okay, so we'll say save, and everything is saved. I'm not going to save this right now because I really don't want the comment saved, so I just cancel, and that was the edit feature of our wiki.